Well, howdy, folks. Hope your ride's going well. I'm testing out the tire plug that I installed on the rear tire on the Harley. The most difficult plug I've ever installed. I did that a little over a week ago or so, and I've checked the air a few times, and it's holding air great. I checked it right before this ride. So, I'm going to check out that, but I also, as you might notice, I have a new helmet, and I have a new Bluetooth system, and a new camera. So I'm checking all this stuff out, seeing how the audio works. I've moved the Hero 10 from the chin cam to the handlebar cam. So I think I've got everything working. So this interesting little road is called Yagas Road, which I've probably already flashed on this screen. I grew up outside of this town, and I'm kind of meandering my way. So today's route, the Shakedown Cruise, and then wind up in Aptos. I'm going to stop there for lunch at a barbecue place I'm very fond of. And then I'm going to take some other really cool roads to make my way back over the hill towards home. I see this turn is still damp. I used to live a mile from here. It's a damp spot there. And here we are at the top. I'm guessing things were a lot cheaper in this area when my mom bought the place off Uvis back in the 60s. Before Silicon Valley had really... Oh, damn, what the hell was that? I didn't see anything in the road. Back is loving that. Mental note, don't ride Sycamore anymore.
This section of Highway 152 is called Hecker Pass and leads up to the Mount Madonna summit.
We used to come to this park all the time when I was a kid. Sometimes for the day or, picnic. Or sometimes camp. There are a lot of nice trails here to ride horses on. Trailer our ponies up here. It was cool. They used to have reindeer here. Yeah, the fence is gone. We would come and feed them and stuff. That's a dirt road to the right there. It's pretty easy. A couple miles long. Comes up the hill the alternate way. I like to do that one on my GS.
So I stopped off here on the edge of Mount Madonna Park. The big tree here, it's a favorite stop of mine, before I head down the hill on Mount Madonna Road.
Of course, all the way to the side. Yeah. You're good. Thank you. Definitely tight. A little bit of a view of Watsonville there. It's a little hazy. Geez, lately I've been riding all these super narrow, technical, beat up. I like all kinds of roads, honest folks. nice ride, but this is the worst bike that I have for rough roads. All the roads are getting worse here. That's why you don't see it on the channel very much. You know, these days you need an ADV bike to ride in California pretty much. Avocado Road. Do they make toast there? Take you right into Corralitos. You can see some of the buildings up there. Here, the grocery store has a meat counter in back, and they make some great sausage. I would totally stop there for a sandwich, but I have other plans. This one came up on me because I wasn't paying attention to Garmin. This road's wet too. I don't remember this turn. We're turning left elsewhere. Let's see what this road's like. A lot of red there. Very nice. Yellow brick road.
Aptos Street Barbecue is a longtime favorite of mine. They make some great barbecue.
Sun is right in my eyes. Won't be for long though, at least. Time to order your holiday prime rib. What, it's Chevron? Really? Wow, they're branching out. There's a motorcycle club based out of Santa Cruz, which is just a few miles from here. I think it's the end of January. They do an annual ride called the Naked Ride. Shoes and a helmet, maybe some gloves, in January. I have never participated. They do some other rides that I've participated in twice. Aren't quite crazy shows. They're kind of a wacky club, the vampires.
Soquel San Jose Road is a nice option to take up to the summit of the Santa Cruz Mountains. It's not straight and it's not technical. It's just a nice, pleasant ride. At least when there's not much traffic.
Nice little festive holiday display there. Have yourself a holly jolly Christmas. I don't know who Holly is, but I bet she's had a little too much eggnog. Main road ahead.
Old Santa Cruz Highway is a nice alternative to the craziness of Highway 17, which I'll have to link up with later. All in all, I think the shakedown cruise was a rousing success. The plug seems to be doing fine and the tire's holding air. And I had some tasty barbecue and got to ride some nice roads too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date on our latest videos. You wouldn't want to miss out. Wherever your journeys may lead, ride on.